Hello everyone, welcome to How Groups Work and How Groups Become Trusted Sources here on Win My Vote. So Win My Vote is a free voter engagement site. Voters can sign up with just an email address or a social media account. They enter their zip code, and that zip code will place them in specific voting districts where we can create a sample or a practice ballot for their upcoming election. So here we'll use the recent presidential election. And as a voter, you can see here that I can see the races, and these are, up and down ballot all the way from the national level all the way down to city council, mayor, school board races. And I can click on the candidate's profile to learn a little bit more about the candidate. And I can watch videos.
So I'm hitting the road to earn your vote.
And yes, I certainly wish that she would have said win your vote. But I can also see other issues down here. I can see a short bio. I can see a full bio of the candidate. And then I can also see groups and organizations that have endorsed this candidate. And the way that this works is that I have something called Trusted Sources. And when I click on Trusted Sources, I'm able to see a library of groups and organizations and individuals that I can select as a trusted source. And as you can see here, I have selected, for example, the American Federation of Teachers. So when I'm on my ballot and I'm looking at this candidate's profile, I can see the American Federation of Teachers has endorsed this candidate, and I can also listen to their video.
Hi, this is Randy Weingarten. As many of you know,
and then again, I can go through all of my trusted sources to listen to all of their endorsements.
Saturday, October 8th, 2016.
And if I, like this candidate, I can just favorite the candidate right there. And then when I go back to my ballot, you can see that the candidate's nameplate has turned green. And you can also see that there's a percentage here, and this percentage is of favorites among the Win My Vote voters that are on this ballot. And this is a California ballot. So this way, groups and organizations can reach out to their members and say, go sign up for Win My Vote. It's totally free. Select us as a trusted source. And you guys can then see how your membership is doing, how many people are signing up, how many people are favoriting the candidates that you're endorsing. And the candidate can also see how they're doing with their outreach programs and how they're doing with favorites, and when a voter favorites the candidate, and when they don't, when they pass on to another one. So creating a group page is free and easy, and endorsing is free as well. If you're already signed up, you can just hit this button right here that says create a group. You put your name of the group there. You put whether it's a local, state, or national group, whether the issues that you're focusing on are local, state, or national. And then, if that name is accepted, then you go about and you build the page that way. If you haven't signed up yet, you can sign up here like this. This is a sort of a screenshot of what the page looks like, and you can just click here to sign up, and that will take you right to a form where you both sign up and start building the page at the same time. So we'll fast forward here to a demo group here that I set up. And as you build it, you can see these little edit buttons that pop up. So you can just, build it right on the screen here. And again, you have choices here between an image and a text or a video. And this URL is just a share URL from YouTube. And this is the YouTube page, and you can see right below the video here that you want to embed there. You can just click share, and then it will give you this URL, and then you just do a copy and paste right into this area right here, and then it will play there in real time. These issue statements down here again are just things that you're focusing on. You can do your title, you can put text in there, and you can use an image or a video there. And then those will display, and again, the voter clicks on it, it'll
Prop
play in real
67
time.
in 1 minute. The ban on plastic bags. 2 years.
And then this is the place where you make endorsements. So I would finish building my page, and then I would click on Make Endorsements. And if I wanted to endorse this candidate here, I could click on this candidate. It says, do you want to do a written or a video endorsement? So we'll do a video endorsement, and we'll just use the same, Win My Vote video for purposes of this demo. And that's it. And then I hit Publish. Now, as a voter, when I'm on my ballot and I click on the candidate, I can then look over here in Featured Endorsements, and I can see if my new trusted source, which was Win My Vote, is listed here as a endorsement. And you can see here that it is, and I can click on that.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote.
And I can watch the video. And again, I've already favorited her earlier in the demo, so she can't get any more favorited. And I can go back to my ballot now, and I can move on to the next race. And again, one of the aims of Win My Vote is to allow the voter to really manage their vote, to engage with groups and organizations that they trust, be able to take that advice, make the right decision, and then move on to the next race or the next proposition or the next measure, so that they don't get overwhelmed with all the different things on their ballot. There are plenty of resources here where they can add the election to one of their calendars that they use. They can look up here for important information about dates and early voting and registering to vote and registering to vote absentee or by mail. They can also find their polling place. They can type their zip code in here, and they can find their polling place, and it gives them a nice little map of it. They can obviously access it with any cell phone or tablet, so they can do it on the go, and they can also print out their favorites or print out the entire ballot and just walk into the polling booth with it. There's lots of other features I would love to talk with you guys about, and there's also plenty of features that we're designing and planning right now, and we'd love your input on that as well. Thanks a lot. Hope that helps. If not, feel free to reach out, and I can walk you through and help you set it up. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.